Nagkakaroon type mo attitude-wise.
Kasi before, super specific ko sa type ko.
Talaga?
Yeah, kasi
Okay.
hindi ko kaya ako nahirapan.
Really?
Kaya rin ako mahirapan after may 8-year relationship. Tapos yung gusto ko quiet. Tapos she knows what she wants. Walang social life. Chill lang. Pero parang na-realize ko. Basta na-realize ko lang at some point of my life. Kaya hindi lang pala yun yung type ko.
So, ano yun? Okay, fair.
Dati rin physical, chinita.
Ito,
Yes. Non-negotiable ko yun.
I also used to have a type before. More and moreno naman before. Tapos, fell in love. The person wasn't moreno at all.
Kaya amazing naman. Super happy ko na nalaman ko sa sarili ko na hindi lang pala yun yung gusto.
Yung type mo.
Inisip ko siya every night. Na-amaze talaga ako.
I feel like dun mo talaga mag-base kung gaano mo kagusto yung isang tao kapag you like the person outside of your stereotypical type. When it's outside of your own box. Kasi it means you really like the person for the personality
What she is.
and what she is. At least na-realize mo yun.